All right, as my ongoing joke with Joe from Two Krazy Ketos, today I'm going to be showing you how to 3D print a Keto Chow logo to make a Christmas tree ornament. So first things first, you need to get the Keto Chow logo. So I've got that right here. Perfect. We'll do 50%. Why not? Okay, so that imports. I took out the Make Keto Easy and the registered trademark thing. What's up with that color? There we go. Or I guess I should. No. Okay, so let's scale this down a little bit. Okay, so I'm in Simplify. No, I'm in Tinkercad. Fantastic program, by the way. So now I'm going to draw a circle around this. No, sides. There we go. Okay, and let's make this a little bit shorter. That's good. Whoops. I've made it through the floor. There we go. So make it 1 millimeter thick. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make it 2 millimeters thick. Okay, so here we got Keto Chow is sticking out. Everything is dandy. Let's tighten this up, get it a little bit closer to the sides. Da, da, da. Okay. And, okay, now I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to make it into a hole. Then I'm going to add a, let's see, align these guys. Nope, wrong. Undo that. Oh, jeez. I forgot. It's been a while since I've used this. Align. Center. Great. Okay, so now we got the hole. And now let's do some text. Sans serif. We'll say 2019. Whoops. 2019. Scale this sucker down. Put it right here. And I'm going to make that a hole as well. Should I make it a hole? Should I make it raised? That's a good question. The room is going to start. Let's see. How tall do we want this? Let's make that 4 millimeters. We'll make this one solid after all. And this one also 4 millimeters. Okay, so now I'm going to take it all. I'm going to group it together, and that'll make the hole. It turns it into a hole. So now we've got, there's that logo right there. Okay, so I'm going to have this one that's raised. Export that. Great. And then, just for kicks and giggles, ungroup this, make this a hole, make that a hole, group those together. Chow. See how I did that there? Now here comes the fun part. I have to add supports. One millimeter. Okay, so I'm going to put this guy, I'll make it a little bit smaller. Okay. So put that there. Stick another one right here. Another one right there. Right there. You guys having fun over there?
Yep. Are you done?
No, I'm not done yet. Okay. I think that's all the stuff that needs supports. Okay. So now we select all this, group it again. I'm recording a video, by the way.
Oh.
And now I'm going to export this again as an STL. Okay. So pull up Simplify 3D. Select all of those and delete them. Okay, so Simplify 3D again. I've got these two guys right here. Drop them in there. Okay. So this is the program where the actual printing is done. So rotate those guys. I'm trying to remember, is it Z rotation? I think it's Z rotation. 90 degrees? Yeah, I nailed it. I can never remember which one is which. Okay. So I'll arrange those on the bed. That looks about right. Okay. Make sure I have everything processed. I put the teal in the right extruder. I think that's about right. Let me see. Right extruder. There we go. Layer. Just want to make sure everything. I do need a skirt. I don't need a raft. I think that is about it. So let's prepare to print. Gives you a preview of exactly how it's going to come out. That's cool. And let's save this to the SD card. All right. Oh, has to. Okay, now over to the printer.